Okay, business, marketing technology, pathway students, most specifically the freshman multimedia class. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. Now today, we're going to save all these files that we've been doing screenshots of, and we're going to put them in a folder because we're going to turn them in one folder using Google Drive. And here's how we go. So if we did RGB and we did HSL yesterday, so I'm going to show you an example using RGB. So the practices that we did was you had to match colors. So this is the before. I would use my snipping tool here to get the before, like so, and I would save it. And I'm going to save it to my documents, and I'm going to call it RGB before, which tells me what the file is. And then I'm actually going to match the color until I get my checkpoint. So brown's going to be, I don't know, a lot of red, maybe a lot of green, some blue. Ooh, am I going to find this? I don't know. Brown is not easy. Let's find some help. Okay, to make brown we have to make red super high, okay. Green value intermediate, and the blue value low. Ooh. There we go, I got the check mark. So now that I've got the check mark, I'm going to go do my screenshot again. Okay. I've got my check mark. I'm going to call this RGB after. Okay. And so you're going to do that also. Yesterday we did HSL, so you're doing a before and after for these as well. And then today you're going to do color correction before and after. So that's going to be 2 more files. And then the very last one is color correction suite. Oh, my bad. Color contrast first. So before, and then you do the contrast, and then number 4 right here. Okay, so once we have all 8 files, 4 befores and 4 afters, go to our desktop, right-click, new, folder, call it color science. Okay, and I'm going to open up my folder like so. I'm going to open this folder. Oh, my bad. I'm going to do this. Color science is right there. I'm going to go to my documents, and here is my RGB files. And I'm going to drag them into my folder just like so. And hopefully by the end of today, you're going to have 8 files in there. Okay, that's it. Let's see how you do.